So I'm just gonna take in some of this aluminum neoprene that I found, and then 4 of these transformers out of the street lights that I found. That's it. We'll see what we can get for that. Maybe a couple dollars. We'll see. Let's get the payout. Hey, remember when it was 70 in November? 29. Well, we're on the way to the scrapyard, but I think I saw little scoopies over here. Oh, sorry, it's hard. Yeah, I think there's a little bit of scoops in there. I'm gonna back up. Oh, there's snow everywhere. Fun time is over. Or maybe people like it. Whatever. Let's go get these scoopies. And came through here the other day and they were here, but I'm pretty sure they're just steel. They look like stainless or something, but they're not. What about you? Are you something cool? No, you're not cool at all. You're very uncool. Yeah, a whole bag of these shirts from the Sports Academy. Pretty cool. Why do I have Canadian money in my car? I don't know. Alright, let's pick up these scoops. And I think they're just steel, so it don't really matter. But we're on the way. But what about you? Oh, you're steel. Oh, look at this. Wow, what is that? Aluminum? Okay. Okay. Okay, we got some aluminum. Wow. We might make at least $1 today. That's nice. Cool. It's like a little old table or something. That's cool. I'm gonna use this bucket for our scoops. Oh. I don't want to get my gloves wet, but there's no choice. Oh, I would have came back the other day if I knew they were non-magnetic. Cool. Probably aluminum. I shall take it. Oh, that's what you got wearing it too. What a bunch of coolness. I'll have to break that apart though. Snow scoop. I thought that was gonna be aluminum. I thought that was gonna be steel. I can't tell you how cold picking up metal in the snow is. I don't know how to explain it. That's nice. Nice. So cold. has like a piece of steel on the end. Get out of here, screw. They'll dock you for that. No, there's no way you're anything but shred. Yeah, that's all steel. My scoops. Can't have them. Little compressor over there. Not doing that right now. Whatever. Not bringing that. Yeah, it's getting bad. Alright, let's go see what we can make off this little load. It's not much, but glad I stopped and picked that up. Let's go check out the pay sheet. So I'm not really a drive time guy, but the other day I drove through here and there was a aluminum. Oh, the rim is gone. Son of a gun! Oh, it's there. Let's go. I don't know if it's aluminum. I actually don't know if it's aluminum, but I remember seeing it. So I was like, dude, I gotta get that. I gotta get that rim. Let's hope it's aluminum, because then we really might get some dollars. Oh yeah. Oh, it's all aluminum. It's all aluminum. Oh yeah, baby. I don't care what they say. You're the man. Oh. Nice. Nice. We're doing really good. Just on the way to the scrapyard, but yeah, I saw it the other day. Cool, man. Let's see how much aluminum rim is. Alright.